If you're a new coach and you're trying to decide whether you should use WordPress for your coaching business, stop. Don't. Hi, I'm Karen from Get Nice. We're a company that loves to support new coaches getting their online businesses up and running so they can become profitable as quickly as possible. Are you thinking about setting up a WordPress website? If you asked me 10 years ago about WordPress, I would have said, it's amazing, it's brilliant, yes, use WordPress. Unfortunately, today in 2022, I would say it's a big fat no. Steer away from WordPress simply because it runs really slowly and it has a lot of technical issues. The problem with WordPress is that it's open source, and what that means is that anyone can work on the platform, so anyone can develop and build for the platform. So that means that if you are wanting to do something on WordPress, you can get a plugin and you keep adding these plugins. And unfortunately, these plugins are built by different companies. And so ultimately what that sometimes means is those plugins conflict. Also, it means that these plugins slow down your website. I used to think WordPress was amazing, and I thought it was even greater when I was introduced to things like Elementor or Divi, or these little things where you can drag and drop and build your own designs and not have to be stuck to a theme or not have to rely on a developer. But unfortunately, what I discovered is these really slowed down the website. And the problem with a slow website is people go somewhere else, especially if they're looking at it on mobile. Maybe they don't have great signal and it's just taking forever to load, and they'll just go to somewhere else. And quite often people will click on lots of different ones and try and compare the website. And if yours is the slow loading, you're going to see that reflected in your analytics. You're going to see a really high bounce rate. If you think, okay, well, I'm not going to add in all these other plugins to my WordPress website, I'm just going to keep it slim, there's probably better options such as Canva, which I discuss in this video up here. But really, as a coach, you need a website that's going to do a few different things for you. You're going to want a booking calendar. You're going to want to sell things online. You're really going to want to have great SEO. WordPress, actually, there are some great options for SEO, but that's another plugin in itself. So really, I would consider, if you're thinking about doing a platform, I'd really think twice about WordPress in 2022. And I'm sure other people will echo this. It used to be a great platform, but unfortunately now, the speeds and the conflicts and also the security issues, which is another video in itself, I wouldn't recommend using WordPress today. So I think if you're a new coach starting out, the best two options that you have is Kajabi or Get Nice Websites. These all-in-one platforms have all the features that you're going to need going forward, such as e-commerce, online courses, really great with SEO, email marketing, funnel building. These are all essential marketing tools that you're going to want for your business. Kajabi is a little more expensive and a bit more established. Get Nice Websites, of course, is our own platform that we've created specifically for new coaches starting out, so it's a lot more affordable. You can actually start from $8 a month, and then when you're ready to move on to having courses and other things like booking calendars, then you go to the next tier up. So you don't have to scrap your website and start again. What you build now, and then you go up to a $29 a month plan. So if you want a free trial, do visit the link below. It's getnicewebsites.com. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about web platforms or you'd like a free website review of your coaching website, visit us at getnicewebsites.com and get your free coaching review. Until then, we'll see you later.